friends, welcome back. I hope that you guys are fantastic and I hope you had a great winter break and are ready to jump back in. Repeat after me. The month is January. I'm going to add in some dates. Friday was January 1st. We didn't have school. Saturday was the 2nd. Sunday was the 3rd. And today is the 4th. We have Carolyn's birthday here and Clay's birthday here. And we have no school here. That is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Alright, today's date, January, is the first month. It is January 4th, 2021. Okay, so let's write that out. January 4th. 2021. It's going to take some getting used to that 2021. I know that today is Monday, so if today is Monday, hop backwards to yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Last time I saw you, we had been at school 54 days. If we were at 54 and we add one more, I see that I still have 5 10s and 5 1s, which makes the number 55. So we're going to make 55 cents. Remember, we're working on mixing coins and counting. So 25, 50, 55. Woo! My screen's jumping all over the place. Alright, these are words that you should know and know them fast. Grown-ups, if they're not knowing these words, that is a sign that they need more practice. Full. Pretty. Pull. Animal. Walk. Done. This is a thermometer I recently added. I am going to be able to move it up and down, and I want you guys to read me the temperature. The higher up it goes, the warmer it is. The farther down it goes, the cooler it is. Okay? So, who can read me that temperature? If I go straight across, I am at number 80. So it is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a clock we're going to start working with. It has movable hands. Today we're just going to talk about what hands we have, okay? So on an analog clock, this is the second hand. It's the one that ticks around pretty fast. Okay, we have the hour hand that tells us the hour, and the minute hand tells us what the minute is. Over the next chunk of time, we're going to be making different times and reading it to each other. All right, jump back into your work today. Good luck.